Here we are on another Ohmann family adventure.
On our way.
Just got on the road.
Yep, and we got all kinds of things back here for me to do.
Gotta keep her occupied.
Yep.
We're headed to Govan, Washington.
And we're gonna go to Douglas County.
Maybe to Douglas County. And to a schoolhouse that was like one of our very first adventures ever.
Yeah.
And it was about 4 years ago. We went and saw it the first time, so we're gonna go see if we can find it again and check it out and see what it looks like now, and maybe venture a little further to see if we can find a few other schoolhouses and houses that we found online that we haven't seen before. So.
And we brought a flashlight to see in the abandoned houses that are dark.
It's gonna be an adventure.
Here we go.
Here we go. Bye.
Here we are on our first stop of the adventure. We saw a sign that said Cemetary Road, so we thought we'd come find it, see what it looked like. And we seem to have found an old cemetery. Doesn't look abandoned because the yard is definitely mowed, but old. 1902 to 1914 are the dates on this one. Cool big lone tree over there with some underneath it. This bush is kind of encasing this one over here. We're gonna go wander around and check it out.
1939.
Here we are on our next stop on the Ohmann family adventure. We found this house. Actually, Zena spotted it off the side of the road, and a barn, another barn.
And one of the houses looks like it's about to split in half.
Another barn. So we're gonna take a look around. We're coming up to this house.
Beehive?
Not sure how far we should walk in.
Down this hallway, there's clothes all over the floor.
Can I see?
The Bible and you.
There's another beehive at the top of the stairs. They're everywhere.
Giant battery and a Budweiser can.
Bedroom or something in there. Kitchen. Your Bible and you. The Bible and you.
A whole bunch of shit. Bird shit and rat shit.
Everywhere. Watch where you step.
I think somebody just tore the ceiling apart.
Yeah.
On birds. Creepy.
It's this big room full of shit. I just told you.
I don't know.
Nothing?
Looks like
I
nothing.
wonder what that would be.
It's not like rollers. Some kind of drawers or something. I wonder if that's a bird nest or a beehive.
It looks like a beehive.
Windows are boarded up.
I hear oh, there's a bird right there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it was
Be
just
careful. By these things.
on that door.
Oh.
Yeah,
Can I see?
birds.
I want to go inside more.
What's that creepy feeling you get?
Me too. Angle of the kitchen. You can see the fridge is open.
Ooh.
Doesn't look like there's much in it. Doors on the floor. Cupboards are all open but empty. Looks like it may have been some kind of party house. There's a bathroom, I think. Maybe?
Hey, Dad, I kind of want to explore in the kitchen and...
Whole bunch of stuff. Anyone want to take a shower?
Okay, I'm going in.
You don't have to go in, just
Some shelves with jars and tomato paste or
you can snap pictures too. Cool barn. I think we've angered some birds. They're all over. You can hear them. This truck's pretty cool. We think we may have upset some birds. They're making a lot of noise now. Don't think they like us exploring their house. What we thought was another collapsed housing structure turns out to be a garage, complete with a car inside. Broken windows and all. I wonder what kind of car it is.
like a neat old car. Looks like it's like from the 70s or something.
Here we are in the next stop of our Ohmann family adventure, the Govan Schoolhouse. Govan in Washington. We've been here once before, about 4 years ago.
This is our first adventure.
And so we thought we'd come back and see what it looks like now. The steeple was standing up when we were here the first time, so now it's fallen over a little. Otherwise, it looks the same from the outside. So we're gonna go take a look around.
Is it on? Can you back up?
Here's inside the schoolhouse. Wash your hands. This place is really neat. I wish I could have seen what it looked like originally with desks and kids and shit.
And here's a desk right here, and it has glass on it that says our band.
And 2 teachers. 2 classrooms. One was probably younger kids, one was older kids.
Yeah. Like 8th grade, 6th grade.
Spectacular views out these windows. Here we are on the next stop of our Ohmann family adventure. And we found this random house in a field. So we're gonna try to trudge through the field. See if we can get a little closer.
And maybe look in the windows.
And maybe look in the windows.
Or go inside a little.
Here we go. All right, we've gotten a little closer. I'll turn around just to show you. We're gonna take a peek. There's a dead bird on the ground in the entryway, so I don't want to walk over it, so I'm not going to walk in here. But I'll show you from the window.
It's creepy. Dad, wait.
Not much left of it. Oh!
Hi!
Say hi.
Hi.
Always a tree at abandoned houses. That's usually a sign to how we find them. There's always a tree. There's actually another one, but it fell over. Looks like another structure, but nothing left of it. No dead bird in this entrance, Anna says. It's like when we went camping.
Must be a hive around here.
Buzz. I'm still not gonna go in.
Whoa, is that a nest?
I don't know. Holy crap.
It's a big
Big
nest.
one if it is. Whatever lives in it, I don't think I want to see it. So we heard about this abandoned gas station in Heartline, Washington. We drove around Heartline, but we didn't see a gas station. We heard about a drive-in. We're not sure if the drive-in and the gas station are the same thing, but I found pictures online that had an address that led us to here. Looks like an abandoned building, however, behind it are cabins that people can rent out, and there's actually people staying there, so we don't want to go disturb anybody or anything. But this is a neat little abandoned drive-in, I guess. I guess it used to be cabins, or it is cabins. This must have been an old office. Oh, kind of neat. And we'll keep driving around. Maybe we'll find the gas station too. It's lunchtime on our Ohmann family adventure. It's actually more like dinner time because we got kind of a late start today, but we're stopping for lunch. Eating sandwiches and chips like we usually do.
6 o'clock.
And then we might head on and see if we can find a few more abandoned places. We've actually been pretty successful today. We've explored quite a few places, so.
Yeah.
Last one was pretty random.
And we might even go and try and find Douglas County. And there's a motel kind of behind us.
And yeah, so we're gonna eat lunch and head on our adventure.
Yep.
Here we are at the Highland Schoolhouse. And we have actually been here before. We're hoping to find a couple other schoolhouses in this area, but this is the one that we can find easily, so we're starting here. And we're gonna go look around and see what it looks like compared to last time. This one is really neat, but it was covered in a lot of graffiti, as you can probably see now. It still is. It looks like part of it was burned in the corner over there. I think last time we were here there was a lot of garbage inside. So we'll just look around, check it out. That looks like probably the top of the building right there, some kind of steeple. It's windy. There's beer cans. Watch your step. Yeah, I don't think it was that broken last time we were here. Don't shoot. Somebody loves Rachel. Pretty neat. Kind of like the other one, not much to it, but sure pretty view out the windows. Here we are at our next stop on our Ohmann family adventure. We were looking for the Pixley Schoolhouse. We had heard it was near the Highland Schoolhouse, and we were about to give up and turn around, but we found it, so we're gonna go see if we can take a look. Here we go, walking up to this schoolhouse. You can see a mattress frame in the window. Flank to get in. The walls don't look too bad. It's not graffitied like the other one. They probably haven't found it. That's good. The other one makes me sad how graffitied it is. Here we are inside the Pixley Schoolhouse. Oh, this is a schoolhouse. Pixley Schoolhouse. Ceilings are really tall.
This one looks like it's coming apart.
Floors are a little warped, so we're being careful where we step. Walls look good still. They're not graffitied, which I like. I think I already said that. Beautiful view out the windows. I love these views out these windows. Chimney. Looks like an attic space at one point. Oh, ceiling's coming down in this room. Look at those pretty windows. And the ceiling looks like it's coming down around us, so I don't know how long we should stay in here.
Look at this door. You look at it straight on. It's like planted.
Oh yeah, it is. Look out these windows. It's so pretty. I am now. Here we are outside the Highland Schoolhouse. Or, I'm sorry, this is the Pixley Schoolhouse. It's really pretty. These windows are huge. The ceiling is so tall. For buildings this old, I don't think I've seen ceilings this tall before. And windows this big.
Those are big windows.
And the ceiling's kind of collapsing.
Like, I kind of want that window frame.
Well, you think in the morning, all the sun probably came in?
Probably helped heat it too.
Maybe, yeah.
I don't know. What do I know?
Probably helped keep it warm.
Look at these cool windows.
Yeah, these schools have
And chimney.
chimneys. They had to have fires.
Yeah. Pretty cool. I'm happy we found it. We're pretty much to the end of it now, but if we've ever found the definition of primitive road, this is it.
Road 3. Now we're on. Can't even read the sign.
There is a sign though.
Like
So-
maybe it's a G.
It is a road.
G and 3.
G and 3. We're on roads G and 3.
You sent my battleship.
Just wanted to show the primitive road we're traveling. The road less traveled on our adventure today.
It feels like we're driving through someone's field, but it's
But
road
they have
3
street
and G.
signs and stop signs, so we're calling them roads. Seeing what we can find.
Oh.
Ta-ta for now. So we've come across this barn, which we came across a few minutes ago. It is not abandoned, however, so we can't go explore it.
I see it now.
But we found it, and then we turned around and went back to the highway, and then tried to go explore a different road, looking for a house. And we realized we just did a giant circle in very primitive roads.
We had a lot of dust.
Primitive road.
Look at the back window.
Gross.
Can't even see through it. And that's where we're at on our adventure today. It's 8 o'clock. We started somewhere around noon, I want to say, noon or 1.
We left at 12 or 12:30.
And we are just getting ready to head back towards home now. And we are in Douglas County. We've also gone through Grant County and Lincoln County today, so we've had quite the adventure.
Yeah.
So we're about ready to head back on our adventure, like I just said. And we've hit about 6 stops, I think, today.
I think so.
Cemetary, couple houses, couple schools. Yeah. And anyway, so we're headed back home now, I think. Driving on our primitive roads to get back to the highway. And we've had a good adventure today.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Ta-ta for now.